our launch vehicle is carrying the AA-2 launch abort system for a full express test.
Seconds, we will see the abort.
Abort initiation.
Pyros 1 and 2 discharge both sides.
Settling phase. Jettison.
Pyros 3 and 4 discharge both sides.
Squib power enabled.
You just heard there the second rebroadcast that continues to write that data.